In the first way we used division, we knew how many we wanted to have in each new group, and we were trying to find out how many groups we could make. Another way we use division is when we know how many groups we want and are trying to find out how many we will have in each group. When we do this, we are sharing what we have equally. Let's look at this second way we use division. Again, we'll use our trays and balls to understand this type of problem. Be sure your tray is reset and you follow along with me on your trays as I work on the computer. There are 10 students in a class that the teacher wants to put into 5 groups. How many students will be in each group? I'm going to start by dropping 10 balls on my tray to represent the number of students in the class. The next thing I do is separate or divide them equally into 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I look at my 5 groups, I can see that each group has 2 balls. 1, 2. If there are 10 students in a class and they are divided into 5 groups, there will be 2 students in each group. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. I'm going to start a problem and let you finish it. If I have 12 apples and want to divide them into 4 groups, how many apples will be in each group? Remember to write your answer as an equation and as a sentence. First, I'll use 12 balls to represent my 12 apples. Your teacher is going to pause the movie while you finish the problem. Remember to write your answer using the correct symbols. If you have questions, raise your hand for help from the teacher. Your teacher will restart the movie when he or she is ready to continue. The next thing I do is separate or divide the balls equally into 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I look at my 4 groups, I can see that each group has 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. If I have 12 apples and divide them into 4 groups, there will be 3 apples in each group. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Let's try one more problem. This time I'm going to let you work the problem by yourself, and we will check the answer when everyone is finished. Remember, write your answer as an equation and as a complete sentence. You have a 15-foot board that you want to cut into 3 equal pieces. How long will each piece be? Remember to raise your hand for help from the teacher. Here's how I worked the problem. First, I used 15 balls to represent the 15 feet of the board. The next thing I did was to separate or divide the balls into 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If I look at my 3 groups, I can see that each group has 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I have a 15-foot board and cut it into 3 equal pieces, each piece will be 5 feet long. 15 divided by 3 equals 5.